Hi friends, today in this video we are going to learn what is git push and what is git pull. How these both git push and git pull commands are differentiated. Before jumping into the video, please subscribe to my channel, keep the bell icons turned on and kindly like and share this videos to your friends so that they can also come to understand what is git push, git pull. Let's jump into the video right now. Let's see what is git push now. Assume that we are creating two files using Linux operating system. We are going to use touch command to create two empty files. Use touch f1.txt, touch f2.txt. Now two empty files has been created in our folder. To push this two empty files in the staging area, we have to use git add file names, or we have to use git add dot. This dot represent whatever changed file is available in our current working directory. It will be pushed into the staging area. After pushing this staging area, check that whether this files has been pushed into the staging area or any error has been occurred. To check whether these files are available in staging area or not, we will be using git status. Using this git status, we will come to understand whether the file has been added into the staging area or not. And then we have to use git commit command in order to store these two files in our local repository. To store these files in our local repository, we have to use git commit -m -message command. Initially, these two files will be out of our local repository. To keep it inside our local repository, use this commit command. After using this commit command, you can see that these two files will be available in our local repository as well. Once the commit has been done, once this file has been available into our local repository, then only we can push our two files like f1.txt, f2.txt, two empty files into the git global repository, that is remote repository, which is available in cloud. From our local, we are going to push in cloud. To push this kind of action, we are going to use git push command. Just use git push, so that whatever the changes or updated files available in our local repository, it will be pushed into the remote repository. Now successfully we have pushed the file from our local repository to remote repository. Now we can understand what is git pull command. Git pull is opposite to git push. Now we are going to make some changes into the remote repository. We have pushed this f1.txt and f2.txt in remote repository. It will be available in the remote repository now. Now go into the file available in remote repository and make some changes to those two files, and these changes now it will be available in our remote repository, because we are directly touching the remote repository and we are making the changes, but it will be not available in our local repository. We can't able to pull now, so it has to be available in our local repository also. To make it, we are using git pull command. Use just git pull, so that whatever changes happened in the remote, it will be directly pulled in our local repository as well. Now two repositories, it's global as well as the local repositories content has been got balanced, so it won't throw any error while pulling or pushing out. Now you have completed the learning part of git pull and git push. So if you have any suggestion, please feel free to comment it out. Thank you for your support. Bye. Let us see in next video.